Welcome everyone, and now we are starting our smart expense keeping application in Laravel. So before start, we have to download Laravel so we can make our things better. So first, let's open our command prompt, and so before entering, so let's go to our htdocs directory, and here it is in a C exam htdocs, and this is our root directory where we install our Laravel project. So to download our Laravel project or Laravel source from Laravel, so go to your documentation, and here is the command composer create project preferred distribution Laravel and blog is the directory. Okay, come to your command prompt. So first I will go to the directory cd exam htdocs, and now I am in htdocs. So composer create composer create project preferred distribution Laravel / Laravel, and the name of the directory which is expense smart expense, and let's enter. Unexpected value exception could not parse version constraint. Okay, I think here is a mistake. Hit enter. Composer create project preferred distribution Laravel smart expense keeping. So it's installing Laravel 5.6.12, downloading. Now it's connecting to Laravel repository, updating dependency including required dev. And here now you can see it has created the directory smart expense. So that we have mentioned here. So it's now time taking. It will take some time when it is near about to downloading. So I will come back. So it's downloading, and it's downloading debugger, event dispenser, random compact process, routing, var dumper, and all the dependencies that required Laravel. So the composer is downloading from Laravel repository. So Symfony, HTTP kernel. So it depends on your internet speed, how much better you internet you have, or how speed d- do you have. And it's about, I think, 26 or 28 MB the data that it is downloading from Laravel repository. So congrats, we have successfully downloaded the Laravel source. So PHP artisan key generate application key base 64 is generated now set successfully. So let's check our smart expands directory. Here the source is downloaded, and we can check it. Uh, Now clear screen, and we are in htdocs. Go to your directory, cd smart expense, hit tab, and you are in smart expense directory. And to run Laravel, we have a command. If you go to your Laravel documentation, so local development server, so to run your Laravel, so we have a PHP artisan serve, and when we run it, so localhost colon 8000 is the default port for Laravel. So look, let's run our Laravel PHP artisan serve, and when you hit serve, the at localhost, the server is now running, and we can check my localhost colon 8000. 8000 is the port of Laravel default port, and hit tab. Boom! We have successfully installed our Laravel. So, okay, we can open it, the source in our Sublime text. Open folder, htdocs, smart expands, and so here is the smart expands